Welcome to Nova Society. Today, we're diving into 8 faceless niches that you need to know to make some serious money in 2025. I've researched countless successful channels to bring you the best strategies so that you can succeed. Let's get started. Whether you're starting a new channel or looking to pivot your content, these niches offer something for everyone. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable ideas to kickstart your YouTube journey. Let's dive right in. The power of picking the right niche. When it comes to making money on YouTube, your niche determines your success. For example, there's a faceless channel with over 634,000 subscribers and 5 million annual views, but it's only made about $10,000 in a year. Compare that to another channel, launched in April 2023 with just over 97 videos. This channel got over 6 million views in the same time frame, but made over $45,000, 4 times the revenue. The secret? Niche selection. Picking a profitable niche ensures that your hard work is rewarded with higher returns. Instead of just chasing views, focus on niches that align with your interests and offer higher RPMs. That's the key to maximizing your effort and income. Niche number 8, anime self-help videos. This niche blends personal growth with captivating anime visuals, making it perfect for engaging audiences. For instance, channels like Incognito CEO gained over 200,000 subscribers with just over 15 videos. Fame Inspector is another example, earning roughly $2,000 monthly with just 12 videos. Why does this niche work? It taps into popular self-help topics like discipline, confidence, and breaking bad habits while entertaining viewers with anime clips. AI tools like InVideo make it easy to create motivational anime clips in minutes. And with anime's growing global fan base, you're tapping into a highly engaged audience that is always hungry for more inspiring content. Rating: earning potential 4 out of 10, ease of creation 9 out of 10. Niche number 7, moral stories. Next, we have moral stories, the modern-day moral science class. Channels like Dream Sparks and Wise Vibes teach simple life lessons through storytelling and earn up to $1,000 monthly. The beauty of this niche is its simplicity. You can find stories online, in books, or even write them yourself using AI tools. The universal appeal of storytelling makes this niche accessible to creators of all backgrounds. By sharing relatable and impactful lessons, you can foster a loyal audience that keeps coming back for more. Plus, the creative process allows for endless possibilities in how you present your stories. Rating: earning potential 5 out of 10, ease of creation 9 out of 10. Niche number 6, ancient philosophy. Ancient philosophy is trending, especially in short-form content. Channels like Philosophies for Life get 500,000 views monthly, earning around $2,000. Stow Journal, focused on Stoicism, makes over $4,000 a month. It's a unique niche with timeless content, perfect for creators who love diving deep into history and wisdom. Philosophy offers evergreen content that resonates with audiences seeking timeless wisdom. By exploring niche topics like Stoicism or Eastern philosophies, you can carve out a specialized audience. The accessibility of resources like books and articles makes content creation straightforward and enjoyable. Rating: earning potential 6 out of 10, ease of creation 8 out of 10. Niche number 5, business documentaries. Business documentaries offer high earning potential. Channels like Magnates Media and Company Man create in-depth stories about big brands and controversies, earning up to $115,000 monthly. While the research and editing can be time-intensive, this niche offers significant rewards for consistent, high-quality work. Viewers love compelling narratives about companies and their rise or fall to success. With the right storytelling techniques, you can captivate audiences and inspire future entrepreneurs. While this niche takes effort, the payoffs, both in revenue and audience loyalty, are well worth it. Rating: Earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of creation, 4 out of 10. Niche number 4, horror and scary stories. Horror and scary stories continue to dominate YouTube. Channels like Chilling Scares and Mr. Nightmare earn millions of views monthly, with RPMs ranging from $5 to $12. All you need are eerie visuals, a chilling voiceover, and spine-tingling stories to captivate audiences. This niche thrives on suspense and intrigue, making it perfect for creators who enjoy a touch of the macabre. With a little creativity, you can turn simple urban legends or fictional tales into viral content. It's a thrilling way to connect with an audience eager for a scare. Rating: earning potential, 8 out of 10. Ease of creation, 7 out of 10. Niche number 3, basic financial education. Finance is a high-paying niche, but here's the twist. Focus on basic topics like saving, budgeting, and building wealth habits. Channels like Alux make $25,000 monthly with foundational finance content. Tools like AI and whiteboard animations simplify video creation, making it accessible to anyone. This niche bridges the gap between education and practical advice, helping viewers take actionable steps toward financial freedom. By addressing simple, universal concepts, you can attract a broad audience while making complex ideas easier to digest. It's a win-win for both creators and viewers. Rating: earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of creation, 7 out of 10. Niche number 2, make money online with AI. Combining AI and making money online is a winning formula. Channels like 10x Income and How to AI earn between 7 and 10 RPM. This niche is perfect for teaching others how to use AI tools for income opportunities. From freelancing to content creation, AI continues to revolutionize how people work, and this niche is riding that wave. From exploring the latest AI tools to sharing strategies for automation, there's no shortage of content ideas. Creators in this space have the added benefit of being at the forefront of a rapidly growing trend. Rating: earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of creation, 5 out of 10. Niche number 1, 3D animation. Finally, 3D animation is exploding. Channels like Zach D Films and The Outliners rake in millions of views monthly. While animation traditionally required significant skills and resources, AI tools now make it easier and cheaper to create stunning visuals. This niche has incredible earning potential but requires dedication. The visual appeal of 3D animation makes it a standout niche with limitless creative possibilities. Whether you're telling stories, explaining concepts, or showcasing unique visuals, there's immense potential for growth. With AI tools simplifying the process, more creators can break into this space. Rating: earning potential, 9 out of 10. Ease of creation, 6 out of 10. Choosing the right niche is crucial for building a successful faceless channel. Focus on what excites you, because YouTube success requires consistency and passion. Now, which of these niches speaks to you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Nova Society. Until next time, peace.